So what does it mean to be video ready for 2020? If you want to be video ready for 2020, you've got to have a customized, results-oriented video plan for the next 90 days so that you'll know what videos you need to do and where and when to post them. You'll have a powerful and personal welcome video on your homepage that makes a great first impression and converts prospects into customers. You've got an optimized and growing YouTube channel where you're building a community of loyal fans and followers for your weekly videos. You've got simple, personal, and persuasive videos at every step of the customer journey so you can grow your business and maximize your ROI. You're attracting more of your ideal clients with personal video outreach like video emails to your top prospects and strategic partners. You're generating passive income and recurring revenue with a signature video course online. You're able to scale quickly with your online products and courses, all created with simple videos. You've got a live streaming strategy that keeps you visible and top of mind with your clients, colleagues, and prospects. You're working smarter, not harder, by repurposing your content and intellectual property into videos that can be scheduled and posted on your key social networks like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And you're working less and focusing on your genius zone because your videos are out there 24/7 working for you and driving revenue even while you sleep. So if you'd like to ramp up your video efforts and get video ready for 2020, we're here to help. Click the link below and get more information.